Hello everyone, welcome to IPM IAS Academy's topic specific current affairs discussion. Today we are going to discuss about the Keibul Lamjao National Park. You might have heard about this national park. So what is the relevance of this park right now? So we know that there are a lot of issues going on in Manipur. When Manipur becomes a hot topic for civil service aspirants, the national park in Manipur will also become a hot topic for the aspirant. In that context, we can learn about Keibul Lamjao National Park. So Keibul Lamjao National Park is located in the southwestern part of the Loktak Lake. So it is located in the Loktak Lake. So where do you find this Loktak Lake? It is in the Manipur state. It is considered as the last natural habitat of the brow-antlered deer, or otherwise known as Sankai, the dancing deer of Manipur. A very important information. Need to understand it very clearly because this can be a question. So it is a last natural habitat of the brow-antlered deer, which is also known as Sankai, the dancing deer of Manipur. And it is the only floating park in the world. It is the only floating national park in the world. So it is getting more and more important right now because it is the only one, the only floating national park in the world. So what are the different kinds of animals or the wildlife you can find there in the Keibul Lamjao National Park? Hog deer, otter, a host of waterfowls and migratory birds. So here you can see the picture of the Keibul Lamjao National Park. Here you can see that. So this is about Keibul Lamjao National Park. The only thing that you need to note here is that it is located in Manipur, especially in the Loktak Lake, and it is the only floating national park in the world. So now we need to understand more about what is Loktak Lake or what is the speciality of Loktak Lake. So here Loktak Lake is the largest freshwater lake in the northeast India. So it is the largest freshwater lake. So Fumdis float over this lake. A Fumdi is a floating island with a unique composition that is found only in Loktak Lake. So here you can see Fumdis. Okay, that is why it is known as the floating national park. So what are Fumdis? Fumdis are formed of soil, organic debris and matted vegetation that are in various stages of decomposition. So here you can see the picture of that. It is floating actually. The thickness of this floating islands varies from a few centimeters to around 2 meters. So it can be varying. The thickness can be varying. It can be in some areas it can be a few centimeters and in some other areas you can see that it is of 2 meters. So 20% of this thickness surfaces above the water while the rest remains submerged. Okay, very important to understand this. So 20% only you will be find in the surface of the water. The rest of the things, that is 80% will be below the water level or it is submerged. So we have discussed about two important things. One is Keibul Lamjao National Park, its speciality, and another one is about Loktak Lake and then Fumdis.